Ever pondered the secret to crafting the perfect Yorkshire pudding? Well, wonder no more. Today we're going to show you how to make this pudding for yourself. Today we delve into the delightful world of this iconic British dish, the Yorkshire pudding, often called a Yorkshire in Britain, breaking down its creation into easy-to-follow steps. So buckle up and prepare for a culinary journey. Yorkshire pudding, a staple of traditional British cuisine, boasts a rich, savory taste that complements any meal. With its crispy edges and soft, doughy center, it's a delightful side dish that's easier to make than you might think. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 3 large eggs, 100 milliliters of whole milk, and 95 grams of plain flour. Don't forget a pinch of salt. And for the cooking process, you'll need beef dripping or vegetable oil. Start by cracking open those eggs and whisk them in a bowl until completely mixed. Gradually pour in the milk, continuing to whisk to ensure a smooth, lump-free mixture. Once that's done, set it aside and let it rest for a while. While the egg and milk mixture relaxes, sift the flour into a separate bowl and add that pinch of salt. Stir it well and then make a well in the center. Pour the egg and milk mixture into this well, whisking it all together until it forms a smooth batter. It's important to whisk thoroughly to avoid any lumps. Now let's heat things up. Preheat your oven to a high temperature. Around 230 degrees Celsius should do. While it's heating, add a small amount of beef dripping or vegetable oil to each section of a 12-hole muffin tray. Pop this into the oven until it's smoking hot. That's the secret to achieving Yorkshire pudding's trademark crispy edges. Once the oil is hot, carefully pour the batter into each section of the muffin tray, filling them about 2/3 full. Then slide the tray into the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the puddings have puffed up and turned golden brown. And voila! You've successfully made Yorkshire pudding. Serve them hot alongside your favorite roast or gravy. So there you have it, the easy-to-follow steps to create the perfect Yorkshire pudding. It may seem daunting at first, but with a bit of practice, you'll master the art in no time. Remember, the key to a great Yorkshire pudding is patience, a hot oven, and a well-whisked batter. So why not give it a try? Your taste buds will thank you. Happy baking!